Welcome to Research Paper Support YouTube channel. Myself Dr. C.V. Sivaram Prasad. In this video, I am going to explain about how to find a best journal for your research paper. Most of the cases, we are in confused state which journal is suitable for our research paper. So once if you finished your write-up part of your research paper, so to select a good journal for your research paper is very important. So this video helps a lot to find a good suitable journal for your research paper. So in this video, I'm going to explain about both Elsevier and Springer journals which are suitable for your research paper. So now I will open a Google browser. So in that I will type Elsevier Journal Finder. So please type Elsevier Journal Finder or Journal Finder Elsevier, whatever it may be the keywords you are enter here. Click on enter button. Okay. So here you will get journalfinder.elsevier.com. The first link it is a Elsevier Journal Finder link. So now click on the Elsevier Journal Finder link. Yeah. Now it will show you like this. This is the journal finder of Elsevier publisher. Here you will see find journals about of that Elsevier and also frequently asked questions. So whenever you want to find a good journal from the Elsevier, okay, first you have to enter your title and abstract of your paper to easily find journals that could be best suited for publishing. This journal finder uses smart search technology and field of research specific vocabularies to match your paper to scientific journals. So if you want to more about regarding this, how it will work, please click on this one. Now I have one paper, so I want to know which journal is suitable for my paper. So now I will open my research paper or research article. So this is the title of my paper, investigating the effect of crushed stone sand and Bacillus subtilis bacteria and Cantabro loss of bacterial concrete. This is my title of paper, and also this is my name, and this is the affiliation of my paper, and this is the abstract of my paper and the keywords. So in this journal finder, most of the cases we need the title of your paper and also abstract your paper and also keyword and are you from which stream. So these are the most important one to know the journal finder which will useful for your research paper. So now I will copy the title of my research paper here. Now simply enter here. See here they wrote the paper title. Here you will enter your paper title. Okay, simply I will enter here. Yeah, this was pasted. Now coming to another one, paper abstract. Enter your paper abstract here. If you don't have an abstract, simply click on here. Simply follow this one. Okay, you will get a suitable journal for your research paper. So now I have a abstract here. Simply I will copy the abstract of my paper. Now I will enter here. So now I pasted the abstract of my paper. Now coming to the keywords. For suppose I am from civil engineering department. So simply the research is cement. Okay. And it will show you already existing keywords. See, directly I will enter the concrete. There is one more keyword, concrete. For suppose I will enter concrete. So it will say coarse aggregate, concrete applications, concrete blocks, like that concrete construction. So now I will click on concrete construction. So for suppose maybe you are from computer science or information technology or electronics and electrical department or mechanical department, you will enter. For suppose now I will enter a wear. So wear is a wear behavior, wear characteristics, wear coefficient, wear damage, wear debris. Like that, it will show you a lot of things. Okay. Now I will enter artificial intelligence. Yeah. So based on your research, simply see artificial intelligence. Simply will click on this keyword. you will get whatever the research related to your paper, you will get a suitable journal of your research. Now simply click on field of research here. See, here it will show you the first one is the life sciences, it is agriculture and biological sciences, biochemistry, genetics and molecular biology. Next, environmental sciences, immunology and microbiology, neuroscience and pharmacology. Next, coming to the physical sciences and engineering, the both are clubbed here. The first one is the chemical engineering, chemistry, computer science, earth and planetary science, energy, engineering, material science, mathematics, physics, and astronomy. And third one is social sciences and humanities. Here, arts and humanities, business and management and accounting, decision sciences, economics, psychology, social sciences. And last one is the health. In that, medicine, nursing, veterinary, dentistry and health professions are there. Now I am from engineering background. Directly I will go to the physical science and engineering part. Then simply click on engineering. If you want to enter multiple of your research, your field of research, simply click on this one. And also if you want to refine your research work, okay, if you want to refine your research means, for suppose if you need only open access journals, or if you need only subscription journals, or if you need gold open access journal, that means it depends upon the publication type. That means an article can either be published gold open access or with subscription. Subscription means that is a free journals. Okay, gold open access or open access means you have to pay some article processing charges here. Okay, a publication fee is required when publishing gold open access, while subscription is free. An embargo period applies before author can publish their manuscript to public. Next, that is the publication type. Next, journal impact. You have to know the site score and also impact factor, from which impact factor from 0 to 10, 10 plus. So which one you want to know regarding that one. If you want to know around more than 3 impact factor of that type of journal, simply will click on drag this one like this. Okay. Next, review and publication time. See, each journal needs some time to check your submission and review your work before publishing it. Values are based on average across submitted papers per journal. For suppose, if I want the journal, or if I want my paper to publish within 1 month, so simply I will type here, for suppose time to first decision and also time to publication or journal, and these are shown here in the weeks. So now simply I click on the find journals. So you can refine whatever your requirement based on this one. Now I will click on the find journal option. So it will take to you another page. So here you will see the site scores from 0 to 10 plus, and time to first decision from 0 to 52 weeks, and the publication type both open access and also subscriptions. If you want to choose, so you can click on this one, and if you want more filters, it is showing here. Okay, and also more filters about impact factor, time to publish. Okay. Next, so once if you enter all the things, it is showing total 48 journals matching your paper. Okay. See here, sorting here, the best match, journal name, site score, impact factor, acceptance rate, time to first decision, time to publication. So now I simply click on the best match. Why? Because if it is a journal is suitable for my paper, definitely I will send it to that journal only. The first journal, Journal of King South University Engineering Sciences. The site score is 6.8 and acceptance rate is 7%. It is very low. That means quality of the journal also is very good. But time to first decision is only 6 weeks, and time to publication it takes minimum 86 weeks. And if you click on this one here, drop down, so it will show you what is the subject area of the journal, and embargo period, and a list of price, how much article processing charges are there. So each and everything is there. So recent articles, and what is the journal scope, and also who are the publishers of the journal. This is the journal scope we are seeing here: chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, industrial engineering, mechanical engineering, petroleum engineering, nanotechnology. So if you want to know more about this one, simply click on this one, read more on this journal. And next journal, Alexandria Engineering Journal. If you observe here, the site score is 6.5, impact factor is 3.6, acceptance rate is 10%. But time to first edition is 9 weeks, time to publication is 13 weeks. It's good. And next, construction building materials, site score is 7.4, impact factor is 4.419. If you observe here, acceptance rate is 29%, and time to first edition is 6 weeks, and time to publication is only 2 weeks. So it is a fast publishing compared to before two journals. Next, Journal of Cleaner Production, site score is 10.9, impact factor is 7.246, acceptance ratio is 23. So like that, it is showing more than around 48 journals: Journal of Building Engineering, Ain Shams Engineering Journal, Sustainable Materials and Technologies, and also International Journal of Payment Research and Technology, Materials Today Communication, and also discover some of our new gold open access journals. It is showing from elsewhere. So in engineering, this is a gold open access journal, that is results in engineering, and also clinical spectroscopy. And one more important thing here I am saying, if you want to publish a Scopus or Web of Science, whatever it may be, first you will check your journal, whatever you are going to publish that journal, you will simply check the journal with the help of title or ISSN number in Scopus website or Web of Science websites. Even you can check my YouTube channel also. And next, mechanics of research, communications, water science, engineering, cement and concrete composites. So like that, it is showing more than around 48 journals. So okay, even you can try yourself. Now this is completely regarding the Elsewhere Journal Finder. And you could also publish is one of our broad scope gold access journals. So these are the gold open access, Helion, Data in Brief, Methods X software. These are all things from the Elsewhere database. So now I will move on to the Springer. So now Springer also is a good journals having more than 2,500 journals. So now I will enter Springer Journal Finder. So simply I will enter Springer Journal Finder in the Google. So simply after entering this one, simply click on enter button. Okay. Now it will show you the first one is a journalsuggester.springer.com. So in the previously I told you in the elsewhere journal finder is there. Here it is suggesting the journalsuggester.springer.com. So simply click on this one. So once if you click on this one, the first link, the same thing whatever I told previously, it is showing like this. So here the personalized recommendation, our journals matching technology finds relevant journals based on your manuscript details. This one wrote from the Springer Nature Publishers. It is having over 2,500 journals. You can search all the Springer and BMC journal to find the most suitable journals for your manuscript. And also based on the author choice, you can easily compare relevant journals to find the best place for publication. Now you can enter the manuscript details to see a list of journals most suitable for your research paper. Now again I am opening my research paper. This is the title, name, and also affiliation and abstract and keyword. Now I entered the title of my paper. Here I will enter the title of my paper. And next I will enter the manuscript text. The next one is the manuscript text. Simply I will copy the abstract and also paste. Here manuscript text, whenever you need the manuscript text, you can enter the total manuscript text of your paper. That manuscript is nothing but paper, the research paper. So you can enter total paper data. Now but simply I am enter here abstract only. And next go through another one, subject area. So you can see the subject area. It is started with architectural design, biomedicine, business management, chemistry, computer science, criminology and criminal justice, cultural and media studies, dentistry, education, energy, engineering, environment, finance, geography, history, law, life sciences, linguistic, literatures, material science, mathematics, medicine and public health, pharmacy, philosophy, physics, political science, psychology, religious studies, science and humanities, social sciences, statistics and water. So now I am from the engineering background. Simply I will click on engineering. So now you can refine your recommendations more than this. Simply click on a plus symbol here. refine your recommendation. Whatever I told you previously, based on impact factor, based on acceptance ratio, based on time to first decision, based on the indexing services, you can choose here. Here also you can choose in the Springer, that is the minimum impact factor, minimum acceptance rate, maximum time to first decision, and indexing services. And you can, if you want to view all the journals, simply click on view journals. Or if you need only open access journal, simply click on open access journal. Or if you need only subscription journal, that is a free journal, simply click on the subscription journal. So now next how to do, click on the suggest journals. So now it will show you all the suggested journal related to your research paper, whatever you enter in the above, that is the title and also manuscript text and which stream you are from. So it is showing Journal of the Institution of Engineers Series A. So here if you observe the first edition, it will take around on average 130 days. The acceptance ratio is 28. And next SN Applied Science first edition is 33 days. 33 days and acceptance ratio is 22%. Next journal is Iranian Journal of Science and Technology, Transactions of Civil Engineering. So the first edition it will take 311 days and acceptance ratio is 35. It is more acceptance ratio. And next journal is Asian Journal of Civil Engineering. It will take minimum 50 days and acceptance rate is 18%. Journal of Building Pathology and Rehabilitation, the acceptance rate is 37%. So like that it is showing lot of journal. So based on your research, and you can check the which one is how many days you have to require to publish a journal. Simply choose that one. Based, if you want open access journal, simply click on the open access journal, and also if you want subscription journal, simply click on that one. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much, my dear colleagues, friends, and all. So this video is completely about to find the best journals for the research papers. Okay, if you want to know more and more, please contact me through my mail ID or WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and this video. If you like this video, please but please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.